Now this is how to hang a motor on your manual sewing machine. You just, first of all, you loosen this nut now, this nut right here. After loosening it, then you place the motor right there and use the same nut to tighten it with the motor. Tighten it back there with the motor, then you use your screwdriver, you screw it in. After tightening it, then you fix in the belt, you connect the belt together with it. Now you tighten it more. Now in order for this motor to be tight very well, you need to press it down so that the belt will be tight. Use your other hand to press the motor, then you tighten it very well. So now I'll plug in the wire. So now I'm going to lock it up with a spanner. It's very important that you use a spanner to tighten it very well so that as you are using the machine, it won't adjust again by itself. So the size of it is spanner 13. Size 13 is okay. I'm going to step on it now and see how it's moving. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Alright, see you on the next video.